Okay, so I think for the last episode we placed roof fascia, roof gutters, and we fully furnished the house. So I think in this episode I'm gonna do some side stuff, including a grass field around our house, and then I'm gonna put some maybe some driveway, some street, maybe a walkway or some sidewalk, and we'll see how it goes. So I'm in my 3D view right now. I'm gonna go to our site plan and I'm gonna go to massing on site and I'm clicking this topo solid command right here and I'm gonna find this grassland and we're gonna edit type. So I did record this one. I recorded this one, but I forgot. I forgot to push the record. So I was talking to myself, but basically this is the dimension. So 10-foot earth, 6-inch gravel, and 4-inch grass. I'm gonna hit OK and OK again, and I'm gonna hit this rectangular shape, and I'm gonna create like a rectangle like this. I'm gonna hit check mark, and I'm gonna go 3D. And what it just says, it says like highlighted topo solid, and then floor is overlapped. The reason why is because if you guys click into the garage door, the ground floor, not the ground floor, but the garage floor is in the same level. So we're gonna have to somehow cut it. I'm gonna go to my ground floor plan, and you guys can see that this section line cuts through the garage floor. So I'm gonna click that section line, right click, and go to view. And I'm gonna go to modify, and I'm gonna use a cut command. I'm gonna click the topo solid, and I'm gonna click our concrete slab, and it is cut outside for the topo solid. And I'm gonna keep doing the same thing for the walls and the footing. So I'm gonna do this, click the topo solid, click the walls, click the topo solid, click the footing, and click the topo solid, click the wall, click the topo solid, click the footing. And I'm gonna do the same thing for these boys. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you click and cut out the topo solid to our house component. You guys can do the same thing for this section and every other walls, but in order to save time, I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna close this section line. I'm gonna go to 3D, and this is what it's gonna look like. So I am going to create like an asphalt driveway and maybe a street and a sidewalk. So I'm gonna open my average grade, and I'm gonna go click our topo solid, and I'm gonna hit the subdivide command, and I'm gonna click this one. And what I did is like I edit type for this one, and I edit type, I duplicated, and I would name it driveway 2 because I already did one. I'm gonna hit OK, edit, and I'm gonna delete this one, and I'll change this one to driveway, to asphalt. So I already load the asphalt pavement document, but if it's not there, you guys can find it in the library. I'm gonna load this one in, use render appearance, hit OK, and I think the thickness for I think I'm gonna go on Google and see how thick is the asphalt for a driveway. It says here 3 inches, so I'm gonna go and type 3 inches here. Hit OK, and I'm gonna draw along the exterior face of the wall, and I'm gonna go about here, and I'm gonna hit check mark, and I'm gonna go 3D and check it out, and that is our asphalt driveway. And I'm gonna go to our average grade plan again. I'm gonna click this boy, and I'm gonna subdivide, and I'm gonna edit type and duplicate, and I'm gonna name this thing walkway 2, and I'm gonna edit the structure, click this thing, and I'm gonna find stone. I'll use this travertine right here. You guys can always load it here, but it's 3 inches as well. So I'm gonna hit OK. So I'll go from here to here. So that's 4 foot. So I'll go an extra 4 foot here. 4 foot here and here. I use the trim and extend command, choose these two lines and click check mark, click outside, and I'll go 3D to check it out, and it looks pretty nice. I'll go to the average grade plan again, click our topo solid, and I'll edit type, duplicate, and I'll name this one sidewalk 2 because I already created one in the last time I thought I was recorded, but I didn't, so I have to do these things again. So I will type walk, and it should load here, but I already loaded them in 3 inches. Okay, it's alright. I'm gonna excavate, not excavate, but subdivide. And walkway 2, I should be changing the materials as well. I think the sidewalk is also 4 foot to 6 foot. I'm gonna keep it 4 foot. Here, check mark. And I'll go to 3D to check it out, and it looks pretty nice. Okay, so something is wrong with this one. I think I changed it into the sidewalk too. So I'm gonna click it and change it into the grassland again. There we go. And then I'm gonna make a street. This one should be the walkway. Okay. I think I had some mistakes, but it's alright. You guys get what I'm doing. I'm going to the average grade, and I'm gonna click this one, and I'm gonna subdivide it, and I'm gonna find driveway as well. Driveway or driveway 2 is the same thing. I'll start from here, go down here, go down 3 foot 6, and I'm gonna go here. And let's say our street is about 30 foot. It's a big street. I'll continue all the way, and I'll go from here to here to here and to here, and I will delete this line, and I'll also delete this line, and I will draw these two. Escape. And I want this one to be a curve right here, so I'm gonna go circle. I'll choose this one, I'll draw it here, use the move command, click this one, hit enter. I'm gonna move it here, and then I'm gonna move it from here to here, and I will trim it. Escape 2 times, click this one, delete, click this one, mirror right here, and I will trim it again. Escape 2 times, click this one, delete, and I will hit check mark, and I will go to 3D to check it out, and it looks pretty good. I'm gonna change this one into driveway 2, so it's one consistent color. Yeah. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna put some trees in. So I'm gonna go to site, and I'm gonna go to masking and site component, and I'm gonna find RPC tree. So let's find some red maple. Let's put a few red maple here. Scatter them all over the place. Really doesn't matter. And maybe put 1 or 2 right here. And I'll change, maybe put another tree. Common apple, sure, why not? Boom, 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 boom. Escape 2 times, and I'll go 3D to check it out. It's gonna take a while to load, and there we have it. We got our trees, our different types of trees. I'm gonna put the few scrubs right here, so I'm gonna go to site component. I already loaded once, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do it again. So load family, and you guys under US, you guys can find planting, and RPC shrub right here. So I already loaded them in, so I'm not gonna do it again. And I'm gonna find scrubs. So let's find this one, century. I'll put a few right here, maybe a few right here. I'm gonna go to the average grade plan. maybe 1 or 2 right here. I'll escape 2 times and go 3D to check it out, and it looks pretty nice. Yeah, you guys can change it if you want, but I think that's good enough for me. And there you have it. You guys can always like change the type of trees, whatever you want with it, but I think I am quite happy with what I'm having right here. So in this video is a fast video, so where you guys create like a topo solid, you guys put some trees in, put a driveway, a walkway to the house, and then sidewalk, driveway, and of course trees and shrubs, which are also very important. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I think in the next episode I'm gonna get over to annotation, putting these things on a sheet, and yeah, maybe different views, maybe a section, elevation, whatsoever. Okay, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode.